Your knife is your most important tool. The two knives most used for cutting vegetables are the chef's knife and the paring knife. These knives come in a wide selection of styles. The chef's knife is often used for slicing, dicing, chopping, and shredding, while the paring knife is used for peeling skins and doing detailed work. There are three common ways of holding the chef's knife. The grip you choose will depend on the task at hand. Some cuts require a delicate hand, some require more force. In the first hold, grasp the handle with all four fingers and place the thumb gently but firmly along the spine of the blade. The second grip is similar, but the thumb is placed along the side of the blade. With the third hold, wrap just 3 fingers around the handle and place the index finger on one side of the blade. Place the thumb on the opposite side to give added stability and control for finer cuts. Whatever grip you use, you should feel comfortable and in control. The paring knife can be held in a number of ways depending on your needs. A common grip is to wrap your 4 fingers around the handle and place the thumb along the side of the handle. Peeling requires a different grip. The fingers hold the knife securely close to the blade while the thumb holds the peel against the knife. The paring knife can also be used as a depth gauge, in this case to carefully remove the stem of this tomato. The tip of the blade is used for cutting. The hand holding the vegetable is also referred to as the guiding hand. Rest your fingertips on top of the vegetable. For safety, the knuckles are bent forward so the cutting edge of the blade does not come in contact with the tips of the fingers. The knife rests on the knuckles, preventing the fingers from being cut. As you make successive cuts, your fingers move back across the vegetable, determining the size of the item. Working in this manner should eliminate any chance of an accident. Your work surface needs to be clean and dry for both safety and sanitation. Your work area should be uncluttered. Use a damp cloth to stabilize your cutting surface. Organize the area so you have access to your knives, your product, a place to put your trim, and a place for your finished product. While you are working, be sure to keep your work area clean. Don't let the trimmings pile up, and place your cleaned cut product in a hotel pan or something similar. As you learn the cuts, you may proceed at a careful pace. But in a production kitchen, you will need to develop a rhythm in order to turn out the product in a timely and efficient fashion. For obvious reasons, safety is a top priority when working with knives. Keep your knives sharp. Sharp knives are safer than dull ones since they require less pressure and are less likely to slip. Pay attention to the job you're doing and use the right knife for the job. Most accidents are caused by human error. Examine the sharpness of your blade by drawing your fingers gently across the blade and never lengthwise. Whether you use a molded case or sheaves for each blade, the idea is to prevent damage to your blades or harm to any unwary individual.